Hello and welcome to Deep Dive Diaries by Correlate Insights. I'm your host and researcher Yukta Bhuneja. Great research isn't about asking the right questions. It's about navigating, taking the discussion in such a manner that it unlocks real, meaningful insights. And that's where effective moderation steps in. So, how do we do this effective moderation? So, in this video, we will explore how to prepare, enter, guide, and wrap up a conversation so that you can turn every discussion into goldmine for your study. Preparation. So, before you even start an interview or a discussion, there's a checklist that every moderator should run through. These steps might seem small, but they set the tone for a smooth, engaging, and productive session. Playing ground rules and ensuring cultural sensitivity to dressing appropriately and researching your participants, preparation is everything. So ensure that you do all these steps because the more you know going in, the more effortless and comfortable the conversation will feel. Entering the setting. Once you have prepared, the second step is entering the setting in a way that builds comfort and trust. Those first moments can really make the entire conversation. Gain clear permissions for recordings, make proper introductions, and address any kind of language or translation needs. These small steps can send a big message that this is a respectful, open space where participants feel safe to share. Warming up. After you have entered the setting, it is time to make the participants feel at ease. A good warm up or icebreaker can set the mood for great conversation and trust. So, now how do you do it? Understand it's not a small talk, it's a time where you get to know them, their personalities, values, and comfort levels. Keep it light, approachable, and genuinely curious. You will be surprised at how much information emerges even before the main discussion starts. Guiding the discussion. Once the conversation is underway, your role is to guide it without controlling it. Ask open ended, non threatening questions. Listen actively. Probe gently for deeper meanings. And stay neutral. Your job is not to steer the answers but to open doors for richer insights. Read the body language, know when to ask for more detail. The best kind of moderators make it feel like a natural conversation and not an interrogation. Knowing your route. Great moderation isn't about reading it from a guide. It is about knowing it so well that it flows naturally. So, when you are confident with your questioning route, you can focus on listening, spotting cues, and steering the discussion wherever it needs to go. And this confidence creates a better rhythm for both you and your participants. Getting rich responses. The heart of any discussion lies in the quality of the responses that you collect. Avoid influencing answers. Let participants tell their own stories. These personal narratives reveal a depth or context that a simple yes or no never can. Always be ready with follow up questions that uncover the why behind their answers. Handling different personalities. In every discussion, you will meet a different set of personalities. The dominant talkers. These people see themselves as natural leaders or experts. See, the problem with them is they might hold valuable insights, but their influence might sway the group. So ensure manage them politely with subtle redirection and make space for others. Disruptive participants, rule breaking or antagonistic. Again, manage them calmly and if needed, remove them to protect the group dynamic. Lastly, you get the shy and quiet participants. These people often hold valuable insights but need gentle encouragement to share. So, make a safe environment, make eye contact, and invite them in. Wrapping up, as the discussion nears its end, watch for signs tiredness, loss of interest, distraction. These are your cues to wrap things up. Briefly summarize the key themes, check if you have understood correctly, and always end with the question: is there anything else that you think is important that we haven't discussed yet? This ensures there are any last thoughts, they're also discussed, and nothing important is left unsaid. The roles you play. As a moderator, you wear many hats. The first one, you are the seeker of the wisdom, digging deep for insights. The enlightened novice, prepared yet open to learning from participants. The expert consultant, adding context when needed. The writer, capturing and displaying ideas. The challenger, provoking new thinking but respectfully. the referee, keeping the balance. And the last, the facilitator, who lets the group engage with each other rather than just answering you. Effective moderation is part art, part science. It's about preparation, empathy, adaptability, and the ability to guide conversations without controlling them. Master these skills and it will transform ordinary discussions into extraordinary insights. If you found this video helpful, do hit the like button, share it with somebody who wants to become a better moderator, and of course, subscribe if you want to watch more such videos. And yes, thank you for watching Deep Dive Diaries by Correlate Insights. Happy researching!